Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. My name is Abhishek and in this video I am going to show you how to quickly fill blank cells in Excel. So here I have a data set where in sales column I have some information missing. So now what I am going to do is I am going to quickly fill all this blank cell with value 0. There are two ways to do this one. First is where we manually enter the value 0 in all the blank cells, but it is not possible if you are dealing with a huge data set. So in that case, you can use the second tips which I am going to show you right now. So first I am going to select the entire data range where the empty cells are there and I want to replace the empty cell with some value. Then let's go to find and select and go to special window. Once you click on this one, you will get a dialog box. Go to special where there are multiple options available, but what we are going to select is blanks and click OK. As you can see, it will automatically select all the blank cells and first cell is in white color and other cells are in grey color. Now the white cell is an active cell and the grey cells are inactive cells. That means whatever you will do now in Excel will be applicable to the white cell which is the active cell right now. Now I am going to enter 0 here and don't press enter. Instead of pressing enter, what we are going to do is hold the control key, then press enter button. So when you do this, you will see instantly it will fill all the blank cells with value 0. So this is how you can quickly fill all the blank cells with any value. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. If you like the video, please share with others. Thank you and have a nice day.